Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Anshika and Rajatji. Thank you for joining in. Today we are going to read Desire for Recognition Makes You Unfree from this amazing book, The Courage to be Disliked. Let me quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. And desire for recognition makes you unfree. Youth. Look, I have been dissatisfied for ages. The adult of world tell the young people, do something you like to do. And they do it with smiles on their faces as if they might actually be understanding people, as if they were on the side of the young. But it's all lip service that only comes out because those young people are complete strangers to them. And the relationship is one that is completely without any kind of responsibility. Then parents and teachers tell us, get into that school or look for the stable occupation. And this concrete and uninteresting instructions is not merely an intervention. It's actually that they are trying to fulfill their responsibilities. It's precisely because we are closely connected to them and they are seriously concerned about our future that they can't say irresponsible things like do something you like. I'm sure you would put on the that understanding face too and say to me, please do something you like. But I won't believe such a comment from another person. It is an extremely irresponsible comment, as if one were just brushing a caterpillar off one's shoulder. And if the world crushed that caterpillar, you would say, it's not my task, and walk away nonchalantly. What separation of tasks, you monster? Philosopher. Oh goodness, you are getting all bent out of shape. So what you are saying, in other words, is that you want someone to intervene to some extent, that you want another person to decide your path. You,
Mm.
sure, maybe I do. It's like this. It's not so difficult to judge what others expect of one or what kind of role is being demanded of one. Living as one likes, on the other hand, is extremely difficult. What does one want? What does one want to become? What kind of life does one to live? One doesn't always get such a concrete idea of things. I would be grave mistake. It would be a great mistake to think that everyone has clear-cut dreams and objectives. Don't you know that? Philosopher. So this is for I can resonate with this because मेरी जो सबसे बड़ी वाली daughter है, she always used to say कि जो आप बोलोगे वो मैं कर लूंगी.
Mm.
मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या करना है. And I used to be like, ये थोड़ा सा सोच क्या करने में मजा आता है. What do you want to learn more and more? What is it that you would like to learn? Right. बट मरने तक जो सीख सकती है जिसमें इंटरेस्ट खत्म नहीं होगा सोच तो सही जो बोलोगे मैं कर लूंगी. I'm like, okay, let me find this course for you then. But that is actually intervention. Let's see what does the philosopher say. Philosopher, maybe it is easier to live in such a way as to satisfy other people's expectations because one is entrusting one's own life to them. For example, one runs along the tracks that one's parents have laid out. Even if there are a lot of things one might object to, one will not lose one's way as long as one stays on those rails. But if one is deciding one's path oneself, it's only natural that one will get lost at times. One comes up against the wall of how one should live. While reading this, I what I remembered from the past was ki she as a child also always wanted to impress Neeraj and me. She always wanted that she should be the best child because they were three. तो अगर कंपैरिजन हो तो शी शुड बी द बेस्ट चाइल्ड शी शुड बी द वन जिससे मम्मी पापा कभी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं हो रहे हैं एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच शी ऑलवेज सीक्ड कि आप जो बोलोगे वो मैं करूंगी
Okay.
बट द अदर टू दे आर ऑलवेज लाइक अच्छा आई लव मेकिंग चॉकलेट्स दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू एंड दिस इज दिस अभी कॉलेज के लिए अगर इफ आई टेल हर तो शी सिट्स शी रिसर्चेस शी टेल्स अस कि अच्छा ये दिस इज द कॉलेज आई वांट टू डू But there it was not there because she always wanted कि मेरे को तो judgment ना मिले. And kids do that. कि उनको पता है कि जहां पर अगर मम्मी पापा बोलेंगे फिर आई विल बी डाउन एंड दिस एंड दैट, मेरी ईगो स्ट्रांग में अप, तो वहां पे वो बच्चे गड़बड़ करते हैं. एंड आई हैव सीन मेनी मेनी किड्स आउट देयर जो अपने मम्मी पापा को ही कह देते हैं आप बता दो जो करना मैं करूंगा. वेरी फ्यू किड्स आर देयर जो कहते हैं कि नहीं मुझको ना ये नहीं करना, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, जो उनके घर में किसी ने नहीं किया
हम्म.
होगा. यूथ, किसी को कुछ बोलना है इस पे?
अरे ओके.
अंशिका, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
Yeah, for me, when you are reading, and today morning when you asked me, like, what is stopping you? So this is the answer I got from here. Like taking responsibility. So, like if you are deciding what you want to do, then you have to be the responsible of the consequences as well, right? So, but if somebody else has asked you to do something and then said, you asked me, that's why it happened. So I'm okay with that. So, like not taking that power or that control of, like this is what I chose to, and that went wrong this way or went good this way, whatever way. So that is what is coming for me, and that is, I think, is stopping me, like not taking responsibility.
This reminds me of my love marriage as well. लव मैरिज कर ली, अभी मम्मी पापा को जाके किसकी कंप्लेंट करूंगी, वो कहेंगे तेरा गलत डिसीजन था, छोड़ परे, जेल लूंगी खुद ही.
Right.
All right. So youth says that is what I am looking for recognition from others for. You are talking about God earlier. You were talking about God earlier, and if we were still living in an era when God was something people believed in, I suppose that God is watching might serve as a criteria for self-discipline. If one were recognized by God, maybe one didn't need recognition from others. But that era ended a long time ago. And in that case, one has no choice but to discipline oneself on the basis that other people are watching, to aspire to the recognized by others and live an honest life. Other people's eye are my guide. हम लोगों की हालत ना इस टाइम पे इतनी खराब है कि हम 5 साल के बच्चे को देख के गलत काम नहीं करते हैं. But we do not even realize that God is also watching us all the time, even if the child is not looking at us. Philosopher says, what do you want? No. Philosopher, does one choose recognition from others, or does one choose a path of freedom without recognition? It's an important question. Let's think about it together. To live one's life trying to gauge other people's feelings and being worried about how they look at you. To live in such a way that others' wishes are granted. There are indeed be signposts to guide you this way, but it is a very unfree way to live. Now, why are you choosing such an unfree way to live? You're using the, what you are really saying is that you don't want to be disliked by anyone. जब हम बहुत ज्यादा परफेक्शनिज्म मोड में जाते हैं, रील पोस्ट करते हुए, पोस्ट करते हुए, खाना बनाते हुए, फॉर सम पीपल है ना, कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने बनाना है, सो आई कैन नॉट कुक क्योंकि पता नहीं उसमें नमक मिर्च कुछ ज्यादा कम हो जाए, मैं रील पोस्ट करूंगी, उसमें इतने सारे लोग देखेंगे, पता नहीं कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा, तो पीपल विल से कि नहीं, इट्स नॉट गुड, वी एक्सपेक्टेड बेटर फ्रॉम यू, राइट? एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी स्टॉप आवरसेल्व्स. मेरी बड़ी गंदी रील्स बनती हैं, येट आई एम चूजिंग टू मेक इट, इस चीज को अवेयर रख के, बिकॉज आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ माई सेल्फ ग्रोथ. एक नहीं बनाऊंगी तो 20वीं कैसे बनेगी? आज शैबी नहीं बनेगी तो थोड़े दिनों के बाद अच्छी भी नहीं बनेगी. Youth, who does? There is no one anywhere who would go so far as to actually want to be disliked. But the reality is, जितने बड़े आप स्टार बनोगे ना, उतने ही लाइक करने वाले भी होंगे, डिसलाइक करने वाले भी होंगे. तो इसलिए उड़ान शुरू करो. Philosopher, exactly. It is true that there is no person who wishes to be disliked. But look at it this way. What should one do to not be disliked by anyone? There is only one answer. It is to constantly gauge other people's feelings while swearing loyalty to all of them. If there are 10 people, one must swear loyalty to all 10. When one does that, for the time being, If there are 10 people, one must swear loyalty to all 10. When one does that, for the time being, one will have succeeded in not being disliked by anyone. But at this point, there is a great contradiction looming. One swears loyalty to all 10 people out of the single-minded desire to not be disliked. This is like politicians who has fallen into populism and begun to make impossible promises and accept responsibilities that are beyond him. Naturally, his lies will come to light before long. He will lose people's interest and turn his own life into one of the greatest suffering. And of course, the stress of continual lying has all kind of consequences. Please grasp this point. If one is living in such a way as to satisfy other people's satisfaction, and one is entrusting one's own life to others, that is a way of living in which one is lying to oneself and continuing that lying to include the people around one. इसके अलावा we are giving our freedom as well. जब आप यही सोचते रहोगे, ये तो बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल ले लिया, बट अगर मेरे को सुबह उठ के खाना बनाने का मन नहीं है एंड बिकॉज मेरे घर वाले मुझसे नाराज हो सकते हैं इस बात पर कि ये खाना क्यों नहीं बना रही है, आज खाना नहीं मिलेगा क्या, इफ आई स्टिल कुक, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैं जबरदस्ती वो काम कर रही हूँ. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, some kind of bitterness is going to come in me that is going to spoil the interpersonal relationships with my kids, my husband, my in-laws and whatever. So it's better that I communicate कि यार आज तो मन नहीं है, आज नहीं हो पाएगा, let's order food from outside, right? अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि नहीं जी मेरे को तो सबको खुश करना है, हाँ हो सकता है ना मेरे बोलने से दो लोग बोले शक्ल बनाएंगे कि क्या यार घर का सुबह सुबह नाश्ता भी घर में नहीं मिल सकता है, बाहर का खाना मंगवा रही है, दे कैन डू. बट अगर मैं उस चीज से बॉदर करूंगी तो लॉन्ग टर्म हार्मनी विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. Youth. So one should be egocentric and live however one pleases. Philosopher. Separating one's task is not an egocentric thing. Intervening in other people's tasks is essentially an egocentric way of thinking, however. Parents force their children to study. They meddle in their lives and marriage choices. That is not other than an egocentric way of thinking. क्यों? क्योंकि ईगो तो अपनी सेटिस्फाई होनी है ना, मेरे बच्चे के 90% आए, मेरे बच्चे के 100% आए, मेरे बच्चे की ना जो वाइफ है वो डॉक्टर है, इंजीनियर है, आईएएस ऑफिसर है. हु इज गेटिंग हैप्पियर? किसका कॉलर ऊपर हो रहा है? सामने वाले को बेशक पसंद ही ना हो बीवी. Youth. So the child can just ignore his parents' intentions and live however he pleases. Philosopher. There is no reason of any sort that one should not live one's life as one pleases. Youth. Not only that this is nihilist, you are anarchist and a hedonist to boot. मुझे इन दोनों के मतलब नहीं पता है क्या होते हैं. If somebody can check on the Google. I am past being astonished and now I am going to start laughing any moment. Philosopher. As adult who has chosen an unfree way to live, on seeing a young person living freely here and now is in this moment criticizes the youth as being hedonistic. Of course, this is a life lie that comes out so that the adult can accept his own unfree life. An adult is
Anarchist is a person who believes that society should have no government or rulers and that people should govern themselves freely.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Rajaji.
Welcome.
An adult who has chosen real freedom himself will not make such comments and will instead cheer on the will to be free. You.
And a hedonist is someone who believes that pleasure and happiness are most important goals in the life.
Okay. तो हमारा वो ये था कि you are an anarchist and hedonist to boot. Great.
Yes.
Youth. All right. So what are you maintaining is that freedom is the issue. Let's get to the main point. You are been using the word freedom a lot, but what does freedom mean to you anyway? How can you be free? How can we be free? And that is the end of this chapter. Oh, sorry. All right. Let's hear it from you. मेरे तो साथ मैंने बता दिया है whatever the insights were.
अंशिका मैम आप बताएं पहले.
ठीक है.
Yeah, for me, like one of the thing that came is taking responsibility. It is easier when you are not taking responsibility. And second thing is like what I understood, and I agree with the author here, the philosopher here, is that like when we are giving control, like when we are choosing something that we don't like, but we are doing it on behalf, like for the sake of pleasing other person, or like he didn't use the word pleasing, but basically it's people pleasing. So you are giving away your freedom. That's what I felt. So yeah, that's my take. And not to do it, like the other way. It's not a egocentric way. It's the other way. So yeah, so choose what is aligned to you instead of thinking how can you make other person happy, and you are not happy. Like if you are happy, you are doing it, then it's okay. Do it. But if it's not serving you, and then also you are doing just for the sake of doing it, don't do it.
Yeah,
If it makes you happy, एक second Rajat ji. So Anshika, are you choosing to make reels?
Yes, for myself, not for others. I
Great.
know where it was going. Yeah, thank you.
All right, now let's hear it from you, Rajat ji.
I agree with Anshika, man. Actually, most of the people used to do for pleasing others. हम लोग अगर रील बना रहे हैं, किसके लिए बना रहे हैं? कि ऑडियंस देखे. डू वी रियलाइज दैट हमें वो रील, सबसे पहले तो वो रील हमें पसंद है या नहीं है, हम उसको अच्छा मान रहे हैं नहीं मान रहे हैं. मेरे को देख के हाँ यार, वाह यार, इतनी बढ़िया रील है. हम दूसरे की रील को, अंकुर वारिकू हुआ, XYZ हुए, शिल्पा सिंह हुआ, पूजा पुनीत हुए, कोई भी हुआ, उनकी रील को देख के हम वाव करते हैं. तो हम जब अपनी रील को देख के वाव करेंगे, देन पीपल विल गेट इफेक्टेड.
That's nice. But does that mean that we will wait for the perfectionism?
No, 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 no. I'm not saying nobody is perfect. Neither Ankur, Variku, no, nobody. XYZ. I'm not talking particularly about anyone. Nobody is perfect. Everybody is in learning stage. In learning every day. प्रतिदिन वो इंसान लर्न कर रहा है. ठीक है, कोई ना कोई नई चीज ऐड ऑन कर रहा है. ठीक है, चेंज मेकर या कुछ भी. ठीक है, तो हमें डेली बट मैटर यही करता है ना, कंसिस्टेंसी होनी चाहिए. गलतियों से ही इंसान सीखता है, लर्निंग उसे मिलती है, और गलतियां करना जरूरी है. मेरे हिसाब से गलती करना भी जरूरी है. हम सोचते हैं कि हमने रील बना लिया. अभी स्टार्टिंग में करिश्मा मैम ने बोला कि यार मैं रील अच्छी नहीं बनाती, मेरी रील बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल,
But I'm happy with the fact that I've started making it. So that gives me joy.
पार्टन, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग व्हाट यू सेड. एक आवाज कट गई थी आपकी. यस,
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि that is giving me joy कि चलो at last मैंने बनानी तो शुरू करी, instead of just sitting back and नहीं मैं रील नहीं बना सकती हूँ उसे.
true, but
It as a progress.
on one side I disagree with you that never say this thing that मेरी रील अच्छी नहीं है. नहीं शब्द का प्रयोग अगर हम नहीं करेंगे ना, तो लाइफ में हाँ शब्द तभी निकलेगा. हम नहीं शब्द का कभी प्रयोग नहीं करें. मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. लिमिटिंग बिलीफ हम क्यों रखें अपनी लाइफ में? मेरी रील बहुत बढ़िया है यार. ठीक है, इसमें थोड़ा सा इम्प्रोवाइजेशन होना है, दैट्स इट. खराब कुछ नहीं होता. खराब हम जजमेंटल अपने लिए हो रहे हैं. हम दूसरे के लिए तो जजमेंटल हो जाते हैं, अपने लिए क्यों हो रहे हैं हम जजमेंटल? दूसरा जज कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो उसकी कॉल है. हमने बहुत बढ़िया बनाई, दैट्स इट. इम्प्रोवाइजेशन के लिए उसने मुझे लर्निंग दे दी, भैया ये चीज ऐसे करो, इसको ऐसे कैमरे को पास में रखो, थोड़ा सा दूर रखो, कैप्शन ज्यादा बड़े होने चाहिए, कैप्शन जो छोटे. मैं वेरी गुड, अप्रिशिएटेड, आई लाइक इट, आई इम्प्रोवाइज इट, बट नथिंग इज रॉन्ग.
हाँ, there is. Wow, thank you. Thanks for that insight. थोड़ा अच्छा लगा. I will implement it as well. And I think Anshika will also take this.
Yeah, it was much needed for me also. Yeah, today I
Yes.
need left, right, and center for everything about reel, please.
कोई चीज बेकार नहीं होती है. प्रैक्टिस तो बाद में चलती रहेगी. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, गलत कुछ नहीं है. कंसिस्टेंसी करिश्मा जी की मैं देखता हूँ. इनफैक्ट रोज रील आती है, रोज पोस्टर्स आते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. लर्निंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, गलत कुछ नहीं है. यू नेवर नो कौन सी रील किसको कब पसंद आ जाए, कौन सी रील वायरल हो जाए. ठीक है, उसमें कौन सा कमेंट ऐसा आ जाए जो आपको हिट कर जाए, और उस पर आप इम्प्रोवाइज करें और उसको चेंज कर लें. राइट?
Absolutely. Anything else that you guys want to share? ठीक है, then tomorrow नहीं, now we will be meeting on Monday.
Monday.
Monday we will be talking about what real freedom is. and ये तो सब कुछ जानना है ना, right? तो इसलिए आना जरूरी है.
True.
So see you all at 10 p.m. on Monday with the topic what real freedom is.
True.
Thank you so much for joining in on this
Thank you. Thank you.
Din and being here. That means a lot.
Thank you.
And have a good night, Rajat ji, and have a
Good night.
wonderfully beautiful and blessed day, Anshika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you,
Okay.
Karishma. Thank you, Rajat. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye.